Assalamualaikum everybody. My name is Arsh Ahmed.
And I am Mohit Ahmed.
Today we will be presenting our topic. This is our project of a plant. There are two systems in a plant: shoot system and root system. The root system consists of roots which absorb the nutrients and the water from the soil. Then the Mohit will cover more.
The first part of shoot system are stem. Stem holds the plant in a straight direction. Second part of shoot system is leaf. Leaf is in green in color, and they make food by the process of photosynthesis. Now Arsh will tell you about these last two parts of shoot system.
So the second last part of the shoot system are the flowers. Flowers are very colorful and they are the reproductive part of a plant. Reproduction take place here. So then the birds are the sides of new growth. Thank you everybody for listening to us.